different kind of sad, 'cause we got no more if only, and we stopped feeling bad. It's a different kind of sadness, it's a different kind of fear. Now we're stuck in this waitlist, and the end is getting near. So I'm moving on. Yeah, I'm moving on. It's like they're all watching, we're on our way to the ground, and I don't love you the same way. We're still moving, but without a sound. God knows it's a long way down. It's a different kind of lonely, it's a different kind of sad, 'cause we got no more if only, and we stopped feeling bad. It's a different kind of sadness, it's a different kind of fear. Now we're stuck in this waitlist, and the end is getting near. So I'm moving on, then you've been moving on, and I've been moving on, and you've been moving on. Oh, we're breaking up in pieces on this merry-go-round. Oh, it's not a pleasant sight, we got nowhere to hide. Ooh, got any final wishes? I've already made mine. Oh, best of luck, I see you on the other
차량
side.
실내 기온이 46도를 넘어서는 폭염은 우리를 너무나 지치게 했고, 시원한 카페에서 잠시 쉬었다 가기로 했다.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of
가까이 있어 잠시 잊고 있었던 경상북도 청도, 소싸움과 온천, 와인터널이 유명한 이곳에서 오래 남을 추억을 가지고 돌아왔다. 까맣게 그을린 피부와 함께